Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and here we are installing the Scratch 3.0. So go to the Scratch website, sign in to your account, and here it is the website scratch.mit.edu/download. So here we will click direct download. It will appear here. It will take 40 to 50 seconds to download. Then we have to open the Scratch. It will take time. Here it will show your account name. So you will choose any of those options and click on install. And then the setup is being installed. So here it is completed. So we will click on finish. Then once you click on finish, go to the Windows button and click search Scratch. It will take time, and here it appears. And here your Scratch is ready. Downloaded Scratch. You can do offline, and if